Welcome! In today's video, we will learn how to play Uptown Girl. This is a little bit more of an intermediate song, but if you've been playing a lot of beginner songs and are ready to move up in your ability level, then I definitely recommend this tutorial. So let's get started. Now let's learn the song. We have three different parts. We have the intro/verse part, we have a bridge section, and we also have this interlude section. That's it, only three parts. So let's learn the intro/verse part. For our first chord, we need an E chord. That's actually what makes this song an intermediate song. So if your index finger doesn't reach over here, position first the middle, then the ring, then the pinky, with the hand pivoted all the way up, look up. And then just rest the chunky part of the index finger on A string 2nd fret. And that works. So you don't have to make the index finger work back here. You can just do this. Look up, look up. Now leave the middle finger on G string and go up for an F sharp minor. Again, leave the middle finger on G string, go back to an E. Again, leave the middle finger on G string and go to an A. And then go to a B. I know I moved through those a little quickly. This is my way of kind of pushing you to push yourself. So our strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, up, once per chord. For A, we're just gonna do down, down, up, and B is down, down, up. So let's try that. Let's add the O's to it just for fun. If you're not ready for that though, you can do down strums. That's totally okay. Here we go, slow. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, down, down, up. For B, I'm doing a baby bar, holding both E and A, and then staircase down. Let's do that again. You can do it. You can totally do it. I believe in you. Just use that middle finger on G string as your anchor. 1, 2, ready, breathe. And then we're gonna keep the same pattern going for the verse. So let's just try a verse. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. Town girl, she's been living in her uptown world. I bet she never had a backstreet cut. Bet her mama never told her why. Gonna try for an uptown girl. Next verse continues the same way. So now let's go to the bridge. Now at the bridge, we're going to continue the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, and we're gonna get one per chord. The chords here are friendlier, yay! So we need C, A minor, D minor, G. Repeat that sequence, C, A minor, D minor, but go to an E7 next. Totally changes the mood, right? So let's try that section. 1, 2, ready, go. And when she knows what she wants from her time, and when she wakes up and makes up her mind. The next part is a little bit more challenging, but it's really fun. So you're going to need an A. You already know that one. F sharp minor, you're just adding one finger. Okay, challenging part up ahead. B minor and B. B minor and B just have one finger difference. So that is really nice. And you know what? You only have to do those once and then you're done. So it's not like we have to repeat those throughout the section. So that section is A, F sharp minor, B minor, and a B. For that B minor, I'm using the index finger and I'm rolling it to the side a little bit. That's a tip I learned from Cynthia Lynn. She said that in one of her tutorials. Use the bony part of the finger to really hold down the strings. Now, something I learned from my uke teacher, Profesor de Ukulele, is to use the arm to kind of push the ukulele outwards and use your finger to pull the ukulele inwards. And so that way your hand doesn't work so hard. You're using your arm and basically both arms to tighten those strings. And so you've got B minor and then add one finger for B. So hopefully those tips help. Let's play from that part. 1, 2, ready, go. She'll see I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. Okay, next we've got the interlude. We have some challenging chords again, but you know what? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can do it. We've got G. Fine, right? Down, down, up, down, up. Then we've got A. Down, down, up, down, up. Now an F sharp. It's like an F, but you're going to bring it down a fret and bar. And then you've got B minor. Down, down, up. And then A. Down, down, up. Now, I can give you a few cheats on how to make some of those transitions easier. Like the B minor, for example. You already have the ring finger on G string, so use that to move to A and play A with middle and ring. So you've got down, down, up, down, down, up. I'm probably still gonna switch just because it's more comfortable for my hand, but I know that people appreciate having options or different options on what to play, so I want to share that. And then you've got B. I prefer to do B as a baby bar, holding down E and A, and then staircase. So let's try that section again, like with the intro or with any part. If you struggle, then just do a down strum and then a down strum. Okay, here we go. The interlude. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, F sharp, down, down, up, down, down, up, G, A, F sharp, B. So this is really, really challenging. Your friend Bernadette, not your teacher Bernadette, is telling you that if you want to omit this section, like if you're just covering it and you really can't play the song just because of this section, then don't include it. Now, your teacher Bernadette says take it one chord at a time, focus on one chord for 2-3 days, and after a week and a half, you'll have this mastered. So you can choose which Bernadette to listen to. Other than that, the rest of the song repeats. Everything else repeats. So let's do a bridge, a verse, and an interlude just to kind of glue it all together. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, you got this. 1, 2, ready, go. And when she's walking, she's looking fine. And when she's talking, she'll say that she's mine. She'll say I'm not so tough just because I'm in love with an uptown girl. She's been living in her white bread world as long as anyone with hot blood can. Now she's looking for a downtown man. That's what I am. Give me a second to scroll. 1, 2, ready, go. Oh, 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 Uptown girl. Okay, I love this song a lot. So I'd like to do the outro with you, if that's okay. Let's do it together. You already know the chords. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Uptown girl, she's my uptown girl. No, I'm in love with an uptown girl. My I love this song so much. Now, if you'd like to get a printable of this song, I make printables for all of my patrons. It's a way for me to provide a learning resource for you, and Patreon really supports me in doing these YouTube videos. As you may or may not know, YouTubers, the way they make their income really isn't that much through the ad revenue. It helps, but it is through merch sales or Patreon or donations or like brand sponsorships where the income really comes in. Some of you might be saying, why are you telling me this? Like, I just want to learn how to play the song. That's why all of the chords and the lyrics have been on the screen, because I don't want you to feel like, oh, I have to pay to learn the song. Everything that you need to know the song has been shared here. Getting the printable is really a resource for anyone who really wants to have something to read along to on their tablet or to print out, or anyone who would like to support the channel. And speaking of supporting the channel, let's talk about the ukulele I've been using. This is an all solid mahogany ukulele. This one is in a matte blue finish, but this exact model also comes in a satin finish on a natural wood. So if you're more of a natural wood type of person, they have that. I'll link both down below. They both the link leads to both of them. I kind of fluctuate. I really can sometimes be a little bit flamboyant with my color taste. Look at my room. Other times I really just like a natural wood ukulele. So both are there. This is an all solid instrument, comes with pre-installed strap buttons, a strap, a gig bag, and a few other accessories that just really help out, like a clip-on tuner, things like that you'll need all of the time. This instrument is made by Enya Music, and anytime that you use my links to shop at Amazon, it supports the channel too, and it doesn't cost you anything additional. So thank you so much in advance for using the links on this channel. If this song felt intimidating to you right now, then I recommend you take the 30-day Uke Song challenge. It's a song challenge. It's 15 songs, and you start with a 2-chord song, a super simple one, and every day we add either a chord or a challenge, and by the time you get to song 15, it's a more advanced song, and I guide you through becoming more of a beginner strummer into an intermediate strummer. So if this felt a little bit outside of your level, I recommend you take the challenge and then come back to this tutorial and see how you'll be much more comfortable playing this. So I will link that down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Ciao!